Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. A couple weeks ago I did a week in my life and I didn't get to post it or edit it, so I thought I should actually edit it and have you guys watch. So that's what we'll be doing today. First of all, I want to wish you a happy Sunday. As you can tell, I am in great moods despite the situation that we are in. If you still don't know, we're still in quarantine times, and just trying to lift up our spirits. The sun is out. So from the title, it's gonna be a week in my life. It's Sunday, so we just had brunch. I made some potato O'Brien, which I have come to really love, making them there like good. And so what I do not do is gonna talk about how I made the potatoes. So ingredients: potatoes, green peppers. For this particular one, I use both green and red peppers, onions. Usually you can add andouille sausages or any other kind of sausages if you want. Also add mushroom, but this time around I did not. So I was out of sausage and I was out of mushrooms, so that's why I did not add it. Spices: salt, pepper, smoked paprika. That smoked paprika is essential. It just really changes the taste of the potatoes. And then I use actually it's tomato bouillon. This right here is what I'm talking about. What I do is I start after chopping the tomatoes, I chop them into like little cubes, and then I put them first in the pan. And I do that because the potatoes take a long time to cook. The potatoes in the pan, you kind of preparing the other ingredients, or that time you probably have prepared your other ingredients. And so I let them cook for about 3 minutes, and during those 3 minutes you keep turning them, and then I come back and add the onions, and then I add my spices. After adding all the spices, you keep turning them, let it cook for couple more minutes, and then come back and put the other vegetables that you had. If you're adding sausages, I would suggest kind of cooking them separately and then adding them back up towards the end, towards when the potatoes are almost ready. The potatoes would probably take about 20 minutes to cook. So now I'm gonna go get ready, and then unfortunately I have my finals tomorrow and Tuesday, so a huge chunk of my day will be spent studying. So I'll go get ready.
And you finally were able to get out the house.
Finally. After how long? How long has it been?
Too long.
Yes, too long. Well, it's actually nice to
go out on a little drive out here.
Well, we actually are going to the store, but it feels great. It's a beautiful day, but let not the sun fool you. It's a little windy, you know, this being Chicago, so it's a little chilly once we stepped out of the house, but it's okay. Sorry, we're in the car, so yes, we're actually going to Target. Boa needs a few things, also need a few things as well, so we're going to take you on that. Right there is Bush. That is where I go to school.
Building way out there.
Yesterday my camera died when we were going to the store, so I didn't really get to like record much. Woke up this morning pretty early, had my first final, went pretty good, and so I have a few minutes before I can start studying, continue studying for the next one. That's tomorrow. God, I really can't wait to be done with this finals. I'm so exhausted, but keep me in your prayers, keep me in your prayers. We shall come out stronger. We shall come out stronger at the end of this. One more day. One more day. Hope y'all doing well. Staying sane, you know, hydrating, trying to live your best life. Trying to work on those crafts that you did not have time to work on pre-quarantine time. So yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep doing this. Update. We finished our finals. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. And that's what you can see. I am super ecstatic and I am happy. Also, it's nice outside. I went to the store to get stuff to make BHAJIA. So BHAJIA is it's a form of potato that is coated with like a bunch of spices. It's from Kenya and it's mostly associated with the Swahili tribes in Kenya who live in like the coastal regions. So I'll be remaking a recipe that I found online by Kaluhi's Kitchen. She is a Kenyan-based food blogger. I will link her YouTube somewhere here. Also, you can follow her on Instagram too as well. She's really good. I like how she really kind of puts a different taste like this. A lot of like this Kenyan foods that we have or eat, and so that's a goal for right now. The potatoes and the garlic are boiling, and I've just finished chopping up all the other ingredients. You need red onions, cilantro, and you need to grate 2 tomatoes. And so I'm about to go ahead and make the masala sauce that's needed for the BHAJIA. And you did it right from the start. The potatoes are still boiling and the masala sauce is cooking, I'm gonna start prepping the chickpea flour. Okay, I got it right today, actually, right now. Chickpea flour, yes. It took me a little longer than what the recipe was saying. The recipe said take about 20 minutes for the BHAJIAs to cook, but also she used only 6 potatoes. I used probably double the potatoes. Other than that, it came out pretty good. I gave it to my roommates and they liked it. He also really liked it.
See, I'm passed out. Hit the spot.
So I can say that it came out pretty good. I will pop a picture somewhere here to see how it actually really came out. Other than that, like, I'm really happy about the results of the bhajias. Good morning, happy Friday. The plan for today is I'm gonna do some yoga, and then I am gonna wash my hair since I took out my braids last night. This is the current situation. I'm even ashamed of showing it because girl. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do, and then I think in the afternoon we're just gonna be editing some stuff. So yeah.
And you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone.
Okay, at this point, I just finished, I already finished my yoga session. Right now, I want to fold laundry that I did like 2 days ago. It's just been sitting here, and then go wash my hair.
And you did right from the start.
Lord. I don't know how y'all do this.
So I finally finished doing my hair. This is how it's going to stay. The state it will be in for the next couple of, probably the next week, before I wash it, and then I decide, and then I braid it. The quarantine files video went up, and I've been getting a lot of like good feedback on my Instagram. So thank you all so much for the feedback. Keep watching, keep liking, subscribe to the channel, and I think I'm going to use this opportunity to finish this video right here. Thank you so much, and I'm really humbled at the feedback that I've gotten. I mean, this just keeps me motivated to keep doing this. Please remember to give a like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video. Toodles.